Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the product tags condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Product Tags option. In the blank box that appears, enter your desired product tags. You can add multiple tags separated by commas. For this example, we will add only one tag, preorder. This means any order containing products with the preorder tag will be blocked. Almost done. Now, give your rule a name. This name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers will see this when the rule is triggered, so make it simple and clear. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's add the preorder tag to a specific product. As you can see, I've already tagged one product with the preorder tag. Let's add this item to the cart. Now head over to the checkout page and take a look. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because we added a product tagged with preorder. Now let's remove the preorder tagged item and add a product that's not tagged with preorder. Once again, head over to the checkout page and check it out. As expected, the error message is gone because we added products that are not tagged with the preorder tag. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!